Today's skewer lunch is super interactive. Younger kids love it. And to do the job, we're using these flexible coffee sticks. And that's what we're gonna do to skewer through these. You can also use bento picks. Hey, welcome to MOMables. If you're new, or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you're here. This entire month, I'm gonna be showcasing quick, no-cook, back-to-school bento ideas that you can whip up in about 5 minutes. And I'm also sharing with you the tricks of keeping those packed lunches fresh until lunchtime. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other lunch ideas. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my roll-ups for the ham. I'm taking a ham slice right here on my board. I'm gonna roll it up nice and tightly. And then with my knife, I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces. I'm using a cheese stick for this, but you can also use cubed cheese. And the same thing goes, I'll cut that into bite-sized pieces. The fun part in the veggie part comes from these cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. So all you have to do is take your cheese and poke it right through the middle and your ham. Now, this is a great way to show your kids how to make their own lunch. Kids love also assembling and being part of this. All you have to do is grab all the ingredients from the refrigerator and they can pack their own lunch. It's really simple and it helps them get started in that habit. Now, if packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that's gonna help you build quick lunches by mix and matching the ingredients that you already have on hand. Now that we have our little sword or skewer assembled, I'm gonna place it in the lunchbox in the main compartment. To finish off this lunch, I'm gonna add some black olives. And of course, they're in a separate little container. You can put a lid on them or not, depending on what bento box you're using. One quick tip, if you wanna pack this ahead of time, is to make sure that you pack your crackers in a separate compartment of the bento box. This ensures that everything stays nice and fresh till the next day. In this final compartment, I'm sending some fruit. I've got some blueberries that I'm gonna pack in here. And then all you have to do is put your lid on and refrigerate it until you're ready to pack it, or in the morning, just grab it, place it in the lunch bag with an ice pack together and the drink, zip it up, and that lunch is ready to go. But wait, there's more. Make sure to watch this next bento that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.